Okay, time to unbox. I have 2 left, so hopefully I pull awesome cards today. Make sure that when you buy these boxes or pick them up, they have this logo, or else it's resealed. I learned the hard way when I picked up an order from Palm Springs, and they were opened and resealed. Didn't have the logo, but thankfully Target has an awesome customer service, and they said they will review my kits. So here we go. We're gonna make this quick. 6 packs per box and 4 cards per pack. So I see a purple. Jordan Poole, and Thompson, and Jaylen Brown. Okay, I'll keep you guys up here. We all know what a lot of people want. Oh, I see a silver. Is it WEMBY? Haskell, Siakam, Westbrook, and Fernie, and... Hey, I think I have this already, but I'll take another one. Silvers are so beautiful. So far we got 1 rookie, 1 purple, and 1 silver. Shout out to MT Cards 925 on eBay. Has a lot of good stuff and good deals. So make sure to follow him on eBay. Okay? Alright. We got 3 packs left. Come on, oh, I see a purple. Tatum, Clay, base, Keontae George, rookie card, and James Harden. I think I have like 4 of these cards already, but I'll take another. Alright, last 2. I'm on best card energy. I need to see it. Hey you, Jabari Smith. Aha! Okay. You know, this is the 5th WEMBY I pulled today. I'll show you guys the other ones. Oh, by the way, I got these from Fat Packs. And this one is from Hoops Hobby Pack that I got from a local card store. Same with this one. And then these 2, either these 2 or these 2 were back-to-back from a Fat Pack. This one right here. So I pulled what? 5 WEMBYs today. 5 WEMBYs. I think I have like 10 of these already. 10. Alright. There you go. Last 2 from that pack. Okay. Last pack mojo. I'm on. Do you see any colors there? I don't. That's okay. You know what? I want to open my last box. Give me 1 second. There we go. That's my last box. It's so hard to find them, but I'm really feeling it today. So yeah, let's go ahead and open my last box and just hope that I find more. Alright, best card energy, last box for me. Again, special shout out to MT Cards 925 on eBay. Okay. Okay, here we go. 6 packs. First one. Best card energy. I don't see any color, but okay. Base, 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 and a base. Next one. I like to do it fast, just because, you know, I'm not, I just want to see what I got. Rookie card again. You again, sir. Let's put you behind right here. See, purple. Cam Whitmore. I pulled an out of 25 of his a while back. It was the one with the question mark. Question mark on the logo. So, look at that. Another Wemby. 2 boxes, 2 Wembys. Oh my goodness. Can I see your silver, sir? Not just a base, but hey, you know what? I am thankful because that means we pulled 6 Wembys today. Wow. Is it centered? Oh my goodness. Maybe I'll get you guys graded. Alright, we got Kawhi, my babies, Lillard and John Moran. All 3 of them are my favorites. No color? Okay. Base in a rookie card. We'll take you, sir. Alright, next one. Got 2 packs left. I see a purple. Okay, starting off with Steph Curry, base. I'll keep you on the side, sir. Taylor Hendricks, rookie. Another Cam Whitmore and Devin Vassell. Alright. Not bad. Last pack. Will we get an Icons numbered card? What? Best card energy. Come on. I know Wemby's here already, but maybe another one. Oh, I see a silver. Who is it? Who is it gonna be? Can't believe it's the last pack too. Rookie card. Hold on. Base and okay. Alright, I'm happy with this one. He won at the what was it? I don't remember. He won something. I just don't remember the term. Not MVP. Was it MVP? At one of the not the main NBA game. Anyway, it's not centered. Well, somebody will appreciate you. So yeah. So 2 Wembys. Oh, let's do a recap of what we pulled. 1 second. Okay. That's a lot. Wemby here, another Wemby here, silver here, rookie, purple. Just doing a quick review of the cards that we pulled. So we opened 2 booster boxes, Monopoly, not the game box, and we pulled all of these, and 2 out of 2 boxes had a Wemby. I love it. Thanks for watching, guys.